Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and I have 5 Canada Day DIYs today that you are going to love. So head to the dollar store, grab some supplies, and let's get started. First up, you're going to need a jar or can. I grabbed this empty vitamin bottle out of my recycling bin, and then I took a bunch of paper straws from the dollar store, and I glued the first one to the side of my jar. You're going to want to take a little bit of extra time. The first one, make sure it's straight, make sure it's lined up against the bottom, and then you're going to do the same for all of the straws. And you end up with this really cute vase. Then you can decide what kind of flowers you want on it. Of course, for Canada Day, I grabbed these red and white flowers from the dollar store. I just snipped them off so that I could make them the right height and kind of spread them out the way that I wanted them in my vase. And that was it. You can leave the vase with just the flowers and it looks really cute, or to make it more festive, you can pop in a dollar store flag. And here's how it turned out. And here's a photo bomb by my youngest son. He's gonna love that I included this. Next up is a super easy idea for food using dollar store supplies. All you need to do is grab a bunch of red and white dishes and serve a bunch of red and white food. I have a great recipe for individual jars of cheesecake. I'll leave the link below, but this is a great idea. This next DIY could not be more easy. So I grabbed a cinch bag from the dollar store. I think it was $1.25, might have been $2, but it was very inexpensive. And I cut off all the strings and I ripped off the tag. Then I grabbed my trusty dollar store pillow that I use all the time, that I cut open to use the fill. It's a cheap way to buy the filling. And I stuffed it inside my cinch bag until I got it as puffy as I wanted it to be. Then I took my glue gun, I folded down the edges of the top of the cinch bag to make a nice clean line, and I glued them together with my glue gun. And that was it. I have a really cute and really easy Canada Day pillow. This next DIY is one of my favorites, and it's so easy. You just take a piece of foam core, take some red duct tape to make the lines on the side, trace out or draw a maple leaf in the center and outline it in red, and you have a super cute and really inexpensive Canada Day photo prop. For the 5th and final Canada Day DIY, you're going to need a glass vase and dollar store napkins. And I also got this Mod Podge at the dollar store. Apply it to the vase with a foam brush and a bit of a line, and you're going to apply the napkin to the vase. Line up the bottom of the napkin with the bottom of the vase. Then slowly you're going to do section by section to cover the entire vase with the Mod Podge and the napkin. If you have any rips in the napkin, you can just cover them with a little Mod Podge and another piece of napkin. It's not going to be a smooth finish, so you won't even notice that at all. Then you take some more Mod Podge to cover inside the top of the vase so that you can fold the napkin down and secure it in place. After the Mod Podge that you use to attach the napkin is dry, you're going to want to do a thin coat on the outside just to finish it off and make it beautiful. Once it's dry, you have a couple of styling options. Here I took a pinwheel and inserted it into the vase. Another option is to take the top of a solar light and insert it to make a lantern. Let me know in the comments which option do you like the best. Seriously, how easy and inexpensive and cute are these Canada Day DIYs? Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of future videos. See you next time. Bye.